Hi everyone. For years I've been suggesting, recommending, even begging and pleading those people that use pre-produced content to make it their own, especially pre-produced marketing content, and particularly those in the real estate industry. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. I found this piece of pre-produced content that a realtor posted. It's got a lot of really good information, it's highly beneficial, and really makes a compelling argument as to why someone should use a realtor. But if you notice, there are 0 likes, 0 comments, 0 engagement. I think that if this realtor were to present some of this information on camera themselves in a video, they'd get a lot more engagement and a lot more activity. Talk about a couple of the things, like perhaps how realtors can provide advice on market value, or negotiate repairs, or coordinate closings with the title company and the client. Then take the rest of the information and include it in the body of the post, along with a call to action and your information. It'll help you increase engagement and involvement. Plus, it'll give people a chance to see your face, hear your voice, which builds trust, builds credibility, and builds a connection with prospective clients. It also highlights what makes you unique and different and special from everyone else out there. Because trust me, very few people are doing this right now. Now, if you want to fancy it up a little bit, there are all kinds of apps that'll help you do just that. I use InShot for all of my video editing. It's free and it's fantastic. You may also want to think about adding subtitles to your videos because, believe it or not, nearly 80% of all videos viewed on mobile devices are done so without sound. There's Apple Clips for Apple devices. There's Vru for Android. I use AutoCap for all my subtitling. There's a free and a paid version of that. But either way, it's definitely something to think about because it will make a difference. And use video. It'll help you build your business and your brand. Now, if you're looking for professional help, we at LDP Multimedia would love to help you with any or all of your branding or marketing needs. We specialize in working with those in the real estate industry, but either way, we're here to help. And I know that we can help you build your business and your brand. Either way, I really hope this video has helped, and I hope you have a great day.